Hello, my name is Amber and I'm the fitness manager and a personal trainer here at the JCC. Today I will be demonstrating some of our new equipment that we have, such as the cable pulley system with a couple of flat pull downs and a seated row. Now we're going to use a long bar attachment for our rows. This is going to target more of your rear delts and upper back. These are our 2.5 pound adjusters. If you're looking to add a little bit of weight, you just put this directly on top. This is our new single cable attachment. You can use different accessory attachments, just taking it off the carabiner here and clipping it right back on. We also have this lever if you're wanting to move it high up or if you're wanting to move this cable down low. We are now going to demonstrate an underhand lat pull down to target more of your forearms and your biceps. We're going to have a close grip, arms underhand, pulling down to your chest and coming all the way back up. You can schedule a one-on-one appointment with the personal trainer via our Formstack link or by visiting our fitness desk.